Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be doing a quick review slash tutorial here on the BULLBARS made by JaysAndKays for the Casio G-Shocks. And here I already have the gray PVD finished BULLBARS installed on this GD-350. So I'm just going to be doing a quick tutorial to show you guys how to install these BULLBARS without scratching your G-Shock completely. So if you see here, there's a little gap. This is already installed, so I'm going to show you how to take them off and then how to put them back on. Essentially, you want to find a gap and you want to feed some string through it. Okay, and it should be pretty strong stuff. This is some of the inner core of some 550 parachute cord. So what you do is you feed that through, and then you center it up like that, and then you're going to tightly grab that string, and you're going to pull tight, okay, until you're going to pull that bar over the bezel and off the watch. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how to reinstall it without scratching it up at all. Okay, see how another one of these looks on here. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay it across one side like that, and then without touching this side, you're going to take some strong cord or string. I'm going to get it like that, and then you're going to pull it tight and hard until it flexes, and you're going to not want it to touch as you're pulling it over. So look, I'm pulling it right over like that, and then you just slide the string out. So that's what a GD-350 looks like with the gold BULLBARS. It's a pretty bold look right there. But yeah, these BULLBARS are awesome because it's pretty much like putting like a brush guard on your truck. Like, as if these G-Shocks aren't, you know, strong enough and absolutely indestructible as is, you add that protection and it's essentially protecting the whole bezel, protecting the mineral as well. These things are really well made. I really like the construction on these. I heard that they recently upped the thickness a little bit for the GD-350 model, so I think the older ones were made with like a little bit skinnier or thinner of a material. But so we're just gonna take this off real quick. Just pull it even, and then we're going to pull tight and lift away from the watch. Okay. And I am just going to reinstall this one here. I really like the way that this PVD gray finished one looks on the GD-350 with the gray as well. So one more time, we're going to loop it on that side, and then we're going to pull tight until it clips over, and then you just pull that out. And that is how you install BULLBARS on your G-Shock without jacking up your bezel. Look, no scratches. Looks absolutely awesome. I'm going to be doing a review on this watch very soon, so make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see a full review on the GD-350. I really have grown to love this watch. This is my main fitness watch. This is what I use at the gym. Here's how it looks on the wrist. But yeah, these things are great. I ended up picking up the 4-pack that they sell, so you can get all the colors. This is a black PVD. This is like a chrome. Very shiny, very well finished. And then this here is like a really nice gold. I think that would look good on the negative version of the GD-350 because it has kind of like gold numerals, so that would look kind of cool. They come in this really nice little jewelry box. Shipping was really fast. I picked them up on eBay. Come with a little sticker here. But yeah, I would say these are a must, especially for the GD-350. I mean, does that not look way better with that on there? I think it fits the watch very well, and it gives you that added protection. So let me know what you guys think. Overall, I would say these BULLBARS from JaysAndKays are a 10 out of 10. Alright guys, so make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to see more G-Shock related content, let me know. And God bless. Alright guys.